So now that we got the trunk open, we're going to look right along here, and you're going to see that there's a couple little push clips. We've got one down at the end here, in the center, and then all the way down at the far side. We're going to remove those so we can take this right off of here. There it is. Give this a little tug. Okay. Now let's remove the center portion of this. And then the whole unit should slide right off once you get it out. Come right over here. At this point, you can pull this down. We're going to go right here. Just try to get this plastic piece off of that stud. You'll see an 8mm nut right there. We're also going to come right up here. Same thing, 8mm. Let's remove the pair of those. So now I'm just going to use a plastic trim tool and try to get right under here. Just see if I can get this to want to lift up. There we go. Try to slide this out of here. There it is. Get our crud out of here. Just start disconnecting all this. It's a great time to check your bulbs as you go. There's our lens. Let's start the installation. And there. Make sure all the wiring's secured where it needs to go. Oops. There it is. All right, we've got our little studs. Those are going to go through the holes. This needs to be on there. There it is. Line everything up. There it is. Beautiful. Let's grab our 8mm nuts here. Snug them up. Grab these. Line up your holes. That inner portion. That locked in there. A little push clip. Let's get this back on here. I'm just going to lift up on this. Slide it down like that. Needs to go underneath all this. One, two. There we go. Make sure you can still lift this up so you can get to your spare tire. It's very important.